Hey guys, Qortal Justin here. Hope you're doing well. I just wanted to record a quick video to show you how easy it is to buy some QORT once you have some other crypto on a centralized exchange. Let's get started. So I'm currently on my Binance account here, and I have 0.6 Litecoin that I'm looking to trade into QORT. You could use any centralized exchange, it doesn't matter. I'm using Binance because it's quite a popular one, but you could use any of the major ones such as Coinbase or Qcoin, for example. So the first thing you'll want to do is make sure you have Qortal installed. For simplicity's sake, I won't be showing you how to do that in this video. But if you want a simple guide for all operating systems, visit Qortal.dev, which is a website I built. And I wrote out a guide in Windows, Mac, and Linux that you could follow to easily install Qortal on your system. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you have Qortal installed before sending some QORT to Qortal, of course. So you've installed Qortal, you got the core running. The next step will be to create an account so you could have a wallet to send your QORT to. So let's go ahead and open the Qortal UI here. And we could click here, create account, read the intro paragraph, of course. And here you'll be prompted to put a name. The name is only the name of your account inside the UI. So it could be anything. I'm gonna put my name, Justin. Here you're going to want to put a password that you will remember, but that is not too easy, of course. And then you could choose to save this account in this browser, which we will do in this case. And here I'll make it more clear, trading account. So let's create an account. And you will be prompted to download a backup file. Please ensure you download this and store it in a very safe place, as this is it works almost like a seed phrase. Therefore, please save it in a couple locations where you won't lose it. So once we are done with that, we continue. And now we are greeted with the intro modal of Qortal, which we can navigate through quickly. So what you're going to want to go to is the wallet section. Now, the wallet section is where we'll be able to have our Litecoin address and be able to send the Litecoin from our centralized exchange into Qortal. So let me go ahead and visit the wallet section right over here. And if we visit here, the Litecoin section, we can get our current wallet address right over here. So this is the address we're going to be sending some QORT to, Litecoin to, excuse me, from the centralized exchange. So let me go ahead and copy that and go back to Chrome and go back to where we have our balance. So I'm going to withdraw some of my Litecoin, and I'm going to withdraw it to the address that I just copied from the Qortal UI wallet. And the Litecoin network is the one we want. And I'm going to send 0.1 for now. 0.1 Litecoin. And we are going to click withdraw. So the withdrawal was successful on Binance. And I can see here my recent withdrawals and the address I sent it to. So let's go see now in the Qortal UI once we've received it, because it does take some time. You have to be patient. But after not more than a few hours, you should be able to receive your Litecoin in your Qortal Litecoin wallet. But let's go take a look at that and see if we've received it now. So I'm back in the Qortal UI, and I've already received the Litecoin. That took no more than 10 minutes, I think, which is really fast. So as you can see here, we have the 0.1 Litecoin minus the transaction fees that we sent from the centralized exchange. So to be fair, that's the hardest part. Now it comes the fun part, which is to trade Litecoin into QORT. The reason we use Litecoin is because it has the most volume on the Qortal Trade Portal. However, you could use any of the 6 coins which are found on the Qortal Trade Portal. Those are Litecoin, Bitcoin, DigiByte, Ravencoin, Doge, and R. But for For this example, we will be using Litecoin. So if I open the trade portal in the by opening a new tab and then going to trade portal, after some loading, we'll be able to see trade history, open market sell orders, as well as historic market trades, those that have been already completed. And out of the open market sell orders, I'll be able to choose one that I want to buy, and I could see the price for it. So now it's loaded. I see this person is selling 100 QORT for a price of 0.004 Litecoin. Okay, so I decided to send the rest of the Litecoin I had on the Centralized Exchange to my Litecoin wallet on Qortal, just so I could show you how to make a purchase and have enough Litecoin for it. So let's go ahead and make the purchase for this one. So we could see it, total is 0.4 Litecoin, and now we have 0.6 Litecoin. So if I click buy here, and there you have it. Buy request successful. So we've made the request to purchase 100 QORT for the price of 0.004 Litecoin per QORT, for a total of 0.4 QORT. And once this transaction is propagated onto the blockchain, we should be able to see it in our QORT wallet, back in our wallet section. So over here on the Qortal wallet, after some short time, it will update and we will see 100 QORT over here. So I'll get back to you once that's happened. So it took about 15 minutes, but the transaction finally went through, and there you have it, 100 QORT that we just purchased from the trade portal. And if we go back to the trade portal, we could see over here that the order is no longer in buying status, but has moved up here to my trade history and has status bought for 0.004 Litecoin for a total amount of 100 QORT, which we bought today. So there you have it. That's how easy it is to buy QORT when using Litecoin or any of the other coins. I'm sure they're just as good as well, but Litecoin has the most volume and is the one I recommend most for you to use. So let's recap. How did we buy QORT? Well, first we used a centralized exchange. We bought some Litecoin on our favorite centralized exchange. We created a new Qortal wallet by creating an account on the Qortal UI. Of course, this assumes that you already have Qortal installed and the core running. Once we had the Qortal wallet, we copied it and pasted it on our centralized exchange. With the wallet address pasted, we sent Litecoin to our Qortal Litecoin address. Once we had the Litecoin inside the Qortal UI, we visited the trade portal and we traded it against QORT. And there you have it. That's how you buy QORT at the current present time using Litecoin. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.